really nice out there if you were outside of those clouds and in the sunshine. Felt pretty good. Temperatures right around that 60-degree mark this afternoon, but the clouds are filling in and there are a few gusty showers out there. Most of that rain not reaching the ground. You'll be lucky if you get a sprinkle out of it. Gusty showers this evening, rain and mountain snow picking up. That will favor the west and southern areas of New Mexico. So live Super Doppler 7, not looking at a whole bunch, but as we zoom into Albuquerque, you will see on the north side, especially up toward Rio Rancho, passing right over the Coors bypass, the shower kind of fizzling out as it passed over the Coors bypass, heading up toward Corrales, but could be some gusty winds with that as it kind of diminishes. Also some showers as expected across northern areas of New Mexico, most of that over the mountains of northern New Mexico right now. And tracking the moisture, Future Track 7, as we go through tonight, we're looking at a pretty quiet night tonight. Tomorrow, we're going to see the best chance of those showers popping up across western areas of New Mexico, and any of those could have some gusty showers and gusty winds, I should say. And then as we go into Tuesday, look at the rain and snow picking up across southern areas of New Mexico. In fact, there is a winter storm watch for the Ruidoso area as well as the Sacramento Mountains. All more on that coming up in just a little bit. 58 degrees tomorrow in Albuquerque. I dropped that chance of a shower in the metro to about 10% because it looks like the bulk of the action is going to go west and south, and that's because that storm system is passing farther to the west and south. And then as we go into Tuesday, we'll see that better chance of showers across southern areas of the state. Temperatures right around 60. Again, about a 10% chance of a shower here in the metro. If that system comes a little bit farther north, we could have a better chance of that. And look at the warm up nearing that 70-degree mark by later in the week. So yeah, if you like the warmer weather, you're going to like this first week of March.